Hi guys, in this lecture we will be starting with a new topic that is known as differential equation. So the first question that comes to mind is, what is differential equation? Differential equation is composed of two words, differential and equation. Now what is an equation? Equation is something in which we have two sides, that is LHS is equals to RHS. That means there must be an equality sign in that expression in order to classify it as an equation. Now what is differential equation? A differential equation is precisely an equation which involves derivatives. Okay, that will be known as your differential equation. Now what is the purpose of studying differential equation? Basically, when we go for mathematical modeling, what is meant by mathematical modeling? It means representing any system in terms of equation. Now let me take an example of a car. If I explain the operation of a car in terms of certain equation, then it will be known as a mathematical modeling. Is it fine? Now like when we talk about mechanical, basic mechanics, then we say the equation of motion, that is V is equals to U plus AT. Now V will be equal to dx by dt is equals to U plus d square x by dt square into time. I can write V as a, V is the velocity, I can write it as a dx by dt, and acceleration I can write it as a d square x by dt square. As you see here, this equation involves the derivative, hence it is called a differential equation. Is it fine? Similarly, what happens is that whenever we have any sorts of system, if you want to represent in mathematical equation terms, you will come across differential equations. So differential equations are indispensable. That means we need certain method to solve differential equation in order to characterize the behavior of a system. That is, if I want to judge how the motion of a block happens or what is the equation governing the motion, I need to deal with the equation of motion. Like we have another equation, F is equals to ma. We can write it also as md square x by dt square, which is again an example of differential equation. Is it fine? Similarly, if you talk about electrical, in electric, whenever we are dealing with a circuit consisting of inductor and capacitor, like L di by dt is equals to V. This is the voltage across inductor, that is represented by L di by dt. And in case of capacitor, C dV by dt is equals to current I. This is the current in the capacitor. It is represented by C dV by dt. So we are coming across the differential equation. So whenever derivative will occur in an equation, it will be termed as a differential equation. Now let us see in what different category we can classify a differential equation. Broadly, it is classified into two categories. First one is ordinary differential equation, and the second one is partial differential equation. Okay, now what is meant by ordinary differential equation? Ordinary differential equation means all the derivatives are with respect to a single independent variable. That is, if I give you an equation like this, d square x by dt square plus 4 dx by dt plus 5x is equals to t square. Then if you see, the derivatives are with respect to time. You can see here with respect to time. So here each derivative is with respect to the same variable. Hence it is known as ordinary differential equation. Now what is meant by partial differential equation? Where the differentiation is with respect to more than one independent variable, it will be known as a partial differential equation. Like if I give you an equation like this, d square y by dt square is equals to k into d square y by dx square. So here you see there is one derivative of y with respect to t and one derivative of y with respect to x. Is it fine? What does that mean? It means that y is a function of x as well as t. Hence, I will have to make use of partial derivative because whenever we have a function of more than one variable, we resort to partial differentiation. We cannot do exact differentiation. Is it fine? So such sorts of equations are known as partial differentiation equation. In this course, our main focus will be on the ordinary differential equation, which are most important. Okay.